Long ago, before cities grew tall and before the world was loud with many voices, the earth carried a deep, quiet pain. People were created to walk with God, to live in love, truth, and peace. But over time, something broke. Fear replaced trust, selfishness replaced love, and sin built a wall between humanity and their Creator. God saw the suffering of the world. He saw hearts burdened with guilt, lives trapped in darkness, and people searching for meaning, but finding none. The law had shown them what was right, but it could not give them the power to live it fully. Sacrifices were offered again and again, yet peace still felt far away. So God did something unexpected. He did not send an army. He did not send fire from heaven. He sent His Son. On a quiet night in Bethlehem, Jesus Christ was born, not in a palace, but in a manger. Heaven touched earth in humility. The angels announced good news: a Savior has been born to you. Luke 2:11. This was the answer to humanity's deepest need. Jesus was sent to reveal God's love. People had seen God as distant or angry, but Jesus showed Him as a loving Father. He touched the untouchable, forgave sinners, and welcomed the broken. Through Jesus, the world saw that God had not abandoned them. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son. John 3:16. Jesus was sent to restore what was lost. Sin had separated humanity from God, but Jesus came to bridge that gap. He lived a perfect life, fully obedient, fully loving, what humanity could not do on its own. He became the second Adam, restoring what the first had broken. Jesus was sent to save, not to condemn. Though the world expected a conquering king, Jesus came as a servant. He carried the weight of humanity's sin to the cross. There, love was stretched wide and mercy was poured out. The Son of Man came to seek and to save the lost. Luke 19:10. When Jesus died, darkness thought it had won, but on the third day, the tomb was empty, death was defeated, hope rose again. His resurrection declared that forgiveness was real, life was possible, and salvation was complete. Jesus was sent to give new life, not just life after death, but life filled with purpose, peace, and hope now. Through Him, hearts are made new, chains are broken, and people are called children of God. I have come that they may have life and have it abundantly. John 10:10. So why was Jesus Christ sent to the world? He was sent because love would not give up. He was sent because humanity needed saving. He was sent to turn darkness into light, fear into hope, and death into life. And His invitation still stands today. Come to me, all who are weary, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. Jesus was sent for the world, and that includes you. If this message blessed you, kindly subscribe and follow for more faith-filled content like this.